Welcome to HBRV Lifestyle. Today we're going to do the Nexus RV, the Wraith Super C 34W. 2 slide outs, plenty of basement storage, full body paint. If you're wondering where this one's located, it's located at the RV Exchange in Pahrump, Nevada. Right now they are having a huge sale where they're liquidating RVs below dealer invoice. So whatever they paid for it, they're actually taking a huge loss on it right now. So part of this basement storage actually passes through, so you can put like lawn chairs through there. So I think that's pretty cool. You got frameless windows, power awning, and in a few seconds you're going to see that it actually has an outside TV, a roof ladder to get on the top, backup camera. And again, the storage space is outstanding for a coach that's only 35 feet in total length. Now, if you guys enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to be notified about future walkthrough and finance videos. So the couch and dinette opposing from each other really helps when you're having like a little family group get together. You know, maybe you want to watch some TV, maybe you guys are playing some games, and deep cabinet storage. And that's important because it doesn't have a very big kitchen. That's the only complaint I have about this floor plan is the size of the kitchen, but there's so much storage to make up for pots, pans, plates, and bowls. And they put a proper sink cover where you have extra counter space, which you'll see in a few moments. Both the sofa and the dinette convert into a bed, and of course you got the bunk bed above the cab. So sleeps up to 8 people. You still get a cabinet above the sink. And unlike other Wraiths that you're going to see across the country, this actually has a full-size refrigerator. So it's not the little skinny 6 cubic foot propane electric. It's actually a full electric 12-volt refrigerator. So it's deeper and bigger. And there's a pantry right next to it. So that's your cans, your cereal, all the fun goodies that are not good for our stomach while we're out camping, right? Here's the interesting part. If you're a full-timer, you're going to love the closet space. I mean, I'm telling you, my wife would just fall in love with how much hangable clothes you can put into this coach. Lots of drawers for your shirts, your pants, your blouses, your things we can't talk about on YouTube. It's nice to have the walk-around queen bed, the reading lights above. Again, deep cabinet above the bed like most Class Cs. But here's the cool part. Look at all that closet storage. I mean, if you're going out for a trip across the country, you can take so many clothes for so many things. Like if you know, cocktail night, dinner night, things of that nature. And both husband and wife can carry hangables. You know, my wife can have 2 of the closets. I'll take half of one. Now, I didn't open up every drawer, but I did just because they're the same size. I just pulled the top one, mostly for time constraints, guys, because I try to keep this under 6 minutes. I don't want to drag on for 16, 17, 18 minutes, because when I used to do that, people would get bored. So I'm just pointing out the number of drawers are that size, and then we're going to go into the bathroom. So like the kitchen, the bathroom's not exactly the biggest, but it's efficient. You have a nice big shower. You do have a decent sized medicine cabinet, plenty of counter space for all your needs, your mouthwash, your toothbrushes, things of that nature. And I didn't do the sit on the toilet thing this time because of time constraints again, but there's still some good chicken wing space. In the top right hand corner is a video of another Super C motorhome walkthrough I did.